non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is also affecting about 10% of children in the US, which is wild when you think about it, because what's one of the biggest culprits for fatty liver disease? Sugar.
Yeah.
And so we need to take some of these statistics and papers like this and just the clinical data so
Yeah.
far, and let's put this into action and figure this out, because
Mhm.
right now we know ultra processed foods, I think, accounts for about 73% plus of the total food supply. And it's nearly 70% of what kids are actually eating. And ultra processed foods being foods that likely or almost guaranteed have added sugars
Mhm.
in them. We're in the middle of a perfect storm. And so when
Yeah.
you go through papers like this, it's just more fuel to the fire that we really need some huge changes, because even when you're pregnant with a baby, this is when all of this programming, this developmental programming
Mhm.
kind of starts. When a mom's blood sugar spikes, we know that the
Mhm.
baby's pancreas produces more insulin. And now we're obviously understanding what some of those effects are. And granted, it's a lot of pressure on moms for sure, but these pieces of information are really important. And then you couple it with all the statistics of obesity and everything that plagues our children today. And it's maddening. So anyway,
Yeah.
there's my little 2 cents. A new mom here, if you can't tell.
Mama Bear is coming out. I love it.
Mama bears, I'm so mad. Yeah, no, it's just you're so much more
Yeah.
aware too when you're like a
Yeah.
new mom. I was just walking through the grocery store with my son the other day, and I walked through the aisle with all the cereals and crap, and you see how drawn they are to these
Yeah.
things as you're
The
walking through. And
colors and the
the
cartoons
colors and
and
the
yeah.
marketing, and it's so easy to go
Mhm.
down that path in
Yeah.
our country, and there needs to be massive change that happens from the top down, hopefully soon.